A coil of 40 ohm resistance has 1000 turns and radius 6 mm is connected to ammeter of resistance 160 ohms. Coil is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field. When coil is taken out of the field, 32 microcoulomb charge flows through it. The intensity of magnetic field will be. So suppose there is a coil like this, and its resistance is, let's say, 40 ohm, and suppose say this is an ammeter which has a resistance of, let's say, 160 ohms. So now they are connected like this, and what happens? So if they are connected like this, now we know that charge, we need to find out the charge flown, because in question this charge is provided as 32 microcoulomb. So first of all, understand what is the current induced. So current induced will be E divided by R. Okay, that R will be R equivalent. So because ammeter is used, so R equivalent will be R coil plus R ammeter, which will give you 40 plus 160, 200 ohms. Perfect. Now what is the value of E in magnetic field? So E is equal to minus d phi by dt. Perfect. So d phi by dt, so what is going to be the value of flux? Now we know that phi is going to be B dot A, but here in the question they are saying that perpendicular to the field, coil is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field. So suppose if this is a coil's plane, this is the plane of the coil, then perpendicular magnetic field will be like this only, and the area vector will also be produced like this. So B and vector A will have the parallel direction. So B is parallel to A only, which shows angle cos theta will be cos 0, which will give you 1. So that will be minus d by dt into BA into 1. So that would be minus d by dt into BA, or else I can also replace this d by delta. So this will be delta BDA by delta T. Perfect. And one more thing is there, that they say the 100 turns are there. So this 100 will also be there. So this 100 will also be multiplied. Okay. So total this will be minus n into delta BA divided by delta T. And now initially this is perpendicular, and later on when coil is moved out, so that means finally there will be no magnetic field. So E will be equal to minus n by delta T, that T delta T I can say T minus 0, and this will be delta B, that means B1 into area of cross section is common, so this will be B final minus B initial. So B final minus B initial, what is B final? B final will be 0, B initial say B, we need to find. So E will be minus n B into A divided by T, correct? And now we know that I is equal to E by R. So using equation number 1, put this value in equation number 1. So let's put it. So let us keep the value. So we will get I is equal to E will be is equal. So obviously this minus will become plus because this is B. So we can write NBA by T into R equivalent. Perfect. And one more thing we know that about I is equal to Q divided by that T, right? So total charge flown divided by in that time. So this Q will be equal to, T will be cancelled out. So Q will be equal to NBA by R equivalent. So if I put the value, then I can find, or from there I can find out the value of B, that B will be Q into R equivalent divided by N into A. Perfect. Now put the values. So we will be getting B will be equal to Q is 32 into 10 to the power minus 6, which is given in the question paper, and R equivalent is 200. I already calculated. Divide by number of tons. So number of tons is 100. So put the value of 100. And what is the area of cross section? A. So for A, they have given the radius, which will be A is equal to pi r square. They have given the radius 6 millimeters. So this will be pi into 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 square meter square, right? So now put the values, put the final value, and then get the answer. So here I need to put pi into 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 square, that much Tesla, right? So now solve it. So B will be is equal to, let's say, 32 into 10 to the power minus 6. This will become minus 4 into 2. Divide by, this will be 10 to the power 2 into pi, or I can write it 3.14, which is almost equal to 3.2. I can assume this will be 6 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 6. Perfect. So this will become 10 to the power 2 and this will become 10 to the power minus 6, 4. So 10 to the power minus 4 and 10 to the power minus 4 is cancelled out. This is 2, 3. So I can rewrite is this much Tesla. So I can rewrite 32 divided by 3.14 into 3 into 6 Tesla should be our choice. So solve it first of all. So if I use this thing, so this will be 16 divided by 3. Now if I assume this is almost equal to 3.2, so I can write 3.2 into 9, right? So this 3.2 can cancel this 5 times. So this will be approximately 5 by 9 Tesla, which will give, so 9 into 5, so 45. This will be 50, again 0.55 Tesla, 0.556 approximately will be the answer. So which option has to be the right choice? Option number 4. Okay.